Hello everyone, good work. Today we are with a new lesson. We started using view components in our last lesson. In this lesson we will continue to use view components. Open the index section on our layout page. This is our index section here. Many areas can be divided into sections. For example, the head area is a section. This is head area is a section. For me, the head field starts on the 8th line. We need to cut this code in the head area and call it on the page connected to our view component. We had a class in this backend, but we didn't create a view for this class. This place is very important. Please let's be careful. We created a view component class. View component class. Its name is underscore head layout component partial. For the view that will work depending on this class, we need to do the following. Let's right click on our underscore head layout component partial folder, add new view. I choose razor view and we need view. Select the partial view option here, create as a partial view. This is very important, and finally its name should be default. This is very important. Its name must be default. Okay, this is a view component naming convention. This is really important. Add button, click. I'm waiting. And I am waiting. Our default view is ready. Okay, our default view is ready. The steps we need to follow are as follows. Views. I want to write views and share it and views and share it. We need one more folder. Our folder name is components. We need one more folder. Share it, right click, add new folder. Our folder name is components. Okay, and this must here. Okay, our default CSHTML is ready. Share it and components and our folder name and finally default partial view. Okay, the steps we need to follow are as follows. We use shared components, our folder name, and finally default partial view. Okay, good. We can delete this here. Good. Go back to our head area. Where is head area? This is head area. Let's cut the head part. Cut. Right click. Cut. Okay. And paste it into the view we created, default view. Right click. Paste. Okay. Our head is ready. We can change the title. Avatars, Sky Admin, Bootstrap 5, Admin Dashboard, Foody, Admin Panel. Okay, admin page. Okay, Foody admin page. Welcome for the admin page. Okay, good. And other CSSs are ready. Okay, good. Then let's call the view component in the layout. We have a method for this. Where is? I will back. This is head area. Okay, this here. Add await component dot invoke async. Okay, and we need our view component's name. We need our view component's name. What is view component's name? Its name is underscore head layout component partial. Copy and paste. Okay, our first component is ready. Good. We will also do this for other sections we want to separate. Okay, this is body. The body area doesn't become a section because it covers many sections within the body. And this is sidebar. Sidebar area on line 14 on line 14. For me it's it may be different from you, but it's more or less the same. The sidebar area can be our second section. The part is head, the second part is sidebar. Okay, we need a new view components. Right click, add new class, underscore sidebar. What is its name? Head layout component partial. Sidebar layout component partial. Okay, add. We need inherit view component. Okay, we need invoke method public view component result invoke. Okay, and we need return view. Good. Copy our class name and right click, copy. Right click components folder, add new folder. Our folder name is past. Good. And we need a new default view. Right click, add view, razor view, choose, and our view name is default. Attention here, you must choose this, create as a partial view. Add. Okay. I'm waiting for creating. I hope you can understand me easily. I'm waiting for comments under the video. And we need sidebar. Choose, right click, cut. Okay, I will go to default and right click, paste. Okay, our sidebar is ready. Good. And add await component dot invoke async, and we need our second component partial name. Right click, copy and paste. Okay, our second component partial is ready. Good. Third, we need main panel, start line 16, finish line 300. Okay, main panel. Okay, main panel. Right click, add class underscore main panel layout component partial. inherit iView component result, iView component result, excuse me, view component, and public iView component result invoke, return view. Okay, choose our class name, right click, copy, views, components, we need new folder, right click, add new folder, our folder name is past, right click, add no class, right click, add new view, razor view, choose create as a partial view, view name is default, add. Okay, delete this here, and we need go to this here, right click, cut, and right click, paste. Okay, good, and await component, invoke async, and we need main panel layout component partial name, copy, and our third component partial is ready. Good. Fourth part, the part starting at line 17 will be the content part. In other words, is the area outside the layout. This place will constantly change whichever page is called. The data of that page is located here. For example, if the category page is called, the category list is included. If products are called, the product list is included. Instead of the content here, we will use a method called render body. The render body method is a method that works depending on the layout. The layout areas on our page will remain constant, and the part where the render body method is located will constantly change. If you added a render body method to a layout page, you now need to call that page from a page connected to the layout. Let's delete this place and add a render body. Delete, add, and we 1 minute. We can store this code, right click, cut, and maybe we can use next time, right click, add new item, general text file. Is this text file? Okay, text file. We will use past. Okay, I said we can use next time. We need render body method, add render body. Okay, this is method, good. The footer area on line 19, the footer area, this is 19. We can create a view component for this. View components, right click, add new class, underscore footer layout component partial. Okay, and view component public view component result invoke and return view. Okay, good. Copy this here, with right click, add new folder. Our folder name is past. Right click, add view, razor view, and view name is default. Okay, add click. I want to say again, I hope you can understand me easily. We need a footer area, right click, cut, and paste. Okay. We will change next lessons in this area. await component dot invoke asynchron async. Right click folder, rename, right click, copy, okay, and our first, second, third, fourth component is ready. And finally, the part with scripts can be defined as a wave components. Right click, add, finally class underscore script layout component partial. Okay, scripts. Okay, add inherit wave component. Okay, public I wave component result invoke. Okay, we need return view. Good. Copy, right click components folder, add new folder. Our folder name is underscore scripts layout component partial. Right click underscore scripts component layout partial, add new view, choose razor view, choose create as a partial view. View name is default, and click the add button. I'm waiting. Okay, we need scripts codes. Close. Okay, this is custom template. This part located online 24 is the part that enables the color change in the template. We can create a wave component for this here. Okay, I will create. We need scripts. Choose this here. Okay, cut and copy. Okay, add await component dot invoke async and what is name, scripts layout, rename, right click, copy, and okay, good. Enough for this lesson. Okay, we will continue next lesson. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, have a good time.